In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your YouTube channel on your phone. So whether you're using Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter. It all works on both type of devices. So what you want to do now is that you want to exit YouTube. And then what you want to do now is that you want to go over to your web browser. I'm using this browser right over here, so I'm just going to easily click on it. So once you do that, search for YouTube Studio. So this is going to take you over to your YouTube dashboard. And by the way, you need to make sure that you have a desktop site turned on. So make sure you have the desktop site option turned on right over there. So what you want to do now is that you want to select or switch over to the account you'd like to delete. So in this case, I'm just going to switch over to the account I want to delete. So once you've switched on to the account you'd like to delete, zoom in, and then click on this gear to or the settings option right over here. You can then zoom out and then click on the channel option. And then go over to the advanced settings and then scroll down until you find the remove YouTube content option. It's then going to ask you to verify it's you, so simply enter your password. So it's then going to take you over to this page. Simply select I want to permanently delete my content. And then you're going to have to tick all these options right over here. And then click on the delete my content option. So simply enter or type in your email address or the email address of that particular channel. Once you're done doing that, select or click the delete my content option. And that should easily delete your channel. So that's how you can easily delete your channel on your mobile phone. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like.